Ever found yourself wondering if that friendly green logo you see across the border is the same bank? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into a common question: is TD Bank in the US the same as TD Bank in Canada? It's easy to assume that a bank with the same name and strikingly similar branding operates as a single, unified entity across North America. After all, we live in an increasingly interconnected world, and many multinational corporations have seamless operations across borders. However, when it comes to the intricate world of finance, things are often more nuanced. Let's start by looking at the history. The TD in TD Bank stands for Toronto Dominion Bank. As the name suggests, its roots are firmly planted in Canadian soil. The Toronto Dominion Bank was formed in 1955 through the merger of two long-standing Canadian banks, the Bank of Toronto, established in 1855, and the Dominion Bank, founded in 1869. This makes TD Bank one of Canada's Big Five banks, a major player in the Canadian financial landscape for decades. Now, how does the US fit into this picture? TD Bank's expansion into the United States wasn't a simple case of opening branches under the same corporate umbrella. Instead, it primarily occurred through strategic acquisitions. A significant step in this expansion was the acquisition of Banknorth in 2005. Banknorth was a regional bank with a strong presence in the northeastern United States. Following the acquisition, Banknorth rebranded as TD Banknorth. The growth continued in 2008 when TD Bank Financial Group acquired Commerce Bancorp, a bank with a significant footprint along the East Coast. This acquisition further solidified TD's presence in the U.S. market. Subsequently, the U.S. operations were unified under the TD Bank name, often referred to as America's Most Convenient Bank. So, while both the Canadian TD Bank and the US TD Bank share a common heritage and the same iconic green logo, they operate as separate legal and financial entities. The parent company is the Toronto Dominion Bank, headquartered in Toronto, Canada. The US operations function as a subsidiary, TD Bank, in a national association, with its own management structure and regulatory oversight within the United States. This distinction means that while they share branding and a commitment to customer service, certain aspects of their operations can differ. For instance, the specific products and services offered might vary slightly to cater to the regulatory environments and market demands of each country. Account types, interest rates, and even some fees could have variations. Furthermore, while you can often use your TD Bank debit card for transactions in either country, it's essential to be aware of potential foreign transaction fees and exchange rates that might apply. Similarly, transferring funds between your Canadian and US TD Bank accounts might not be as seamless as transferring between two accounts within the same country and could involve specific procedures and fees. Think of it like this: both entities are part of the same extended family, sharing core values and a recognizable identity. However, they operate independently within their respective national borders, adhering to the specific rules and regulations of their home countries. Therefore, while there's a strong connection and shared history, TD Bank in the US is not exactly the same as TD Bank in Canada. They are related entities under the umbrella of the Toronto Dominion Bank Group but function as distinct operations within their respective markets. So, the next time you see that familiar green logo, remember the rich history and the separate journeys these two banking entities have taken to serve their customers on both sides of the border. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.